And we're back to learning Gimp, and this time I'm going to show you how to create an easy anaglyphic effect. We'll just apply it to a simple portrait, and I've got an empty transparent background behind it. Let me copy this layer first. I'm on the top one, I go to Color, Components, use the Channel Mixer. And I go down right here with Red in Red, and I set it to 0. I simply confirm, and you can see we now have a cyan color, so let me rename that. I'll make it invisible for now, go to the one below, then again I use the channel mixer, and this time I go down for green in green and blue in blue. And this will give us an entirely red color, so I'll rename that. Let me make the cyan visible again. I activate it, and now I change its blending mode to difference. So this gives us the original back. I'm still on the cyan layer. Now I use the move tool, I left click on it, and I use the arrow keys to the right, and you can see that right here, this color is now being offset a little bit, and this creates this anaglyphic glitch kind of effect. By the way, the order doesn't make a difference, so let me put cyan below, I'll change it back to normal, and now go to red and change it to difference. So this also works. It just reverses the order, but it gives you the same effect. So don't worry too much about the order. The top one needs to be on difference blending mode and the one below on normal, and then you're good. But we have a problem with the edges, so I merge it. Let me zoom in. And if I show it to you, you can see the background is now bigger. So in the final step, we need to scale up our image just a little bit. I'll control when I do, and then I click on scale. Now it's as big as our background, and we're good here. And this is the process that you can use to create this simple anaglyphic effect in Gimp. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.